How will you feel if I say you can attract things you have been looking for in your life to manifest? How will you feel if I say that you can change your life by using the modern mantra technique and you can manifest many things in your life? Hi, hello everyone. I'm Priyanka Tandon, founder of Who with Priyanka Transforming Lives, a daily based tarot card reader, motivational speaker, quantum master, social activist, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Who with Priyanka. This video I'm making on the demand of many of my followers who have been asking me about the switchword mantras, and they want to know the many more other techniques which we can use while using the switchword mantras. And this video is going to be a little more special because this is a video part 2 regarding switchword, in which I will be teaching you what are the other ways of using switchwords on a daily life. So if you want to know more about this video, stay tuned with me. Let's talk about switchwords, everyone. Switchwords are not less than a blessing for all of us. Those who have been using switchwords, they know the value of a switchword, how beautifully it programs your subconscious mind. Switchword is not like a witchcraft or a black magic. It is a simple, pure, modern technique mantra which tap your subconscious mind to manifest the things you want to attract in your life. Switchword has invented by a very famous founder, Smurg Frewer, in 90s, and somehow he realized that subconscious have a power of few words on our mind, and then he invented switchwords, and then switchword has been invented by many other founders, and they have written so many books on switchwords. So if you also want to know a more deep knowledge about switchwords, you can purchase the books from online portal. And then switchword is something which actually helps you to program your subconscious to attract, if you want to attract positivity, if you want to gain more clarity in your life, if you want more abundance, you want a job, you are looking for something, you're looking for a life partner, or you want to manifest any reasonable desire which you want it to get manifest as soon as possible for yourself. If you have a shortage of money, if you have a bad health, or you're going through with the bad karmas, or you are actually stuck with something in your life, then switchword modern mantras are one of the methods which can help you to transform your life from good to better. So if you also want to program your subconscious mind, then you can use switchwords. This video is regarding many of my followers were asking me what are the other ways of using a switchword. So I thought, why not to make a switchword video part 2, in which I will be telling you many other ways of using a switchword in today's video. So one method is, which I'm going to discuss in this video, is you can write down the switchword in your notebook. So if you want to manifest something in your life, or you want to get it manifest by the help of not just switchwords but with the help of universe, when you're writing something on your book and you are doing a chanting while writing, or then universe is also listening. So when you write something in your book and then you program your subconscious mind, plus the universe is also listening to you to manifest your desire. So this is the one method. If you get a switchword from any consultant, or you get a switchword from through anyone, then you can write the switchword in your notebook. The point two is that you need to write the switchword after you take bath. So when you take bath, after taking bath every day, you can use the switchword you got from the healer. Why it helps you? Why are just after bath? Because when you write a switchword, then you need to be very cautious and very careful to maintain your proper hygiene. So when you are taking a bath, of course this will get removed. So when you take a bath every day, after taking a bath, you can use a switchword and then maintain the hygiene on a daily basis and write the switchword mantra on your body on a daily basis. Depends on which mantra you're writing, which switchword, which healing code you're writing, and that depends the color ink which need to be used for the particular mantra you want to write on your hand. Third is a very beautiful method. I hope that all of you know there are kind of a small stickers which comes in the market, and you can buy that stickers from the market. What you can do, you need to write the switchword on the stickers, and then you can peel the sticker and you can stick on your hand here or anywhere of the body part on the left side you want to paste. That helps you to manifest the same way it is working on any other method we have been using about switchword. So sticker is also one of the method you can use to manifest your desire with the help of modern mantra technique called switchwords. Another way is to writing a switchword on your hairband. Like if suppose someone is facing a problem related to their hair fall issues, or they have some hair issues or they have some scalp issues, then what they can do, if you use a hairband, then you can inside the hairband and you can wear that hairband. The healing codes will give you the direct energy of using the scar codes or the healing codes for your hair issues. Then other method of using a switchboard is writing on your water bottle. So what you need to do, you just need to take a water bottle, a plain glass water. There should be no color. I always say there should be no color when you are using a switchboard method. So you can stick on the bottle whatever the codes you have got or whatever the switch words you have, then you can paste the switch words on the bottle, and then you can drink the water with the help of sipping the water throughout the day. You just don't have to drink at one time. You can use the water sipping throughout the day. That will also help you to manifest and to help you to attract or to gain a good health in your life. Last method is to, you can use crystal and healing technique along with the switch word. So if you want to use the switch word and you're using a switch word, then you can use both of the techniques along with the switch word, which you can charge your crystals with the help of switch words, and then you can use Reiki healing along with using a switch word. That also helps in a very, very, very nice way, because three of the combination comes in one place, and then when you heal the switch words, then you heal the water, then you heal the modality of helping three of them together, that it gives you an amazing results. So this is one of the method which you can use. And then let's talk about one very important thing which generally people ask me about: what is Sanjeevani? So Sanjeevani is all about emergency Sanjeevani. It works for you miraculously, and when someone is actually facing a very, very major health issues, or facing a very, very major issues related to health, that helps you to cure the person from certain problem, that helps you to cure the person who is admitted in the ICU, or who it helps you to get out of from the problem if you have been attacked by some major health issue. So that helps you. So what are the method of using a Sanjeevani, which is very important? You need to make sure that never ever write a name inside your Sanjeevani. That is not allowed. Writing a name inside Sanjeevani is not allowed. So make sure that you don't write your name when you're using a Sanjeevani. Okay, what you can do, you can place your photograph inside center of the Sanjeevani, which helps you to cure the health issue for the person you are using it. And then what is the other thing you can use? You can use the Sanjeevani, or you can paste the Sanjeevani on the wall by sticking the picture of the person on the Sanjeevani, and then you can paste it on, you can display it on the wall. That also helps to get the healing for the person. So one thing which you need to make sure, don't write name inside the Sanjeevani. Don't put Sanjeevani on somewhere which is where it is not visible, where the energies are not coming out. So you need to make sure that when you're posting, or when you're keeping Sanjeevani somewhere, it should be on a place where it can gain the energy. Because when you hide these energies, when you keep these circles somewhere from where they're not getting energy, so the energy gets deactivated. So make sure when you're keeping a Sanjeevani on table, or you're keeping on your side table, or you're pasting on a wall along with the photograph, that should be on a proper place. So yes, these are the methods to use switch word. So if you also have any doubt what are the other methods of using a switch word, then you can watch my video. It will help you to manifest your desires. It will help you to manifest many other things you want in your life. I hope this video will help all of my lovely followers, and thank you so much everyone for loving my last video. Lots of love and lots of gratitude for you, all of you. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.